saying that if you are in the government sector, if you are a government person, it means you have did the lots of hard work and patience. As we see in lots of cases, if there is 1,000 vacancies, then the form will fill up of 1 lakh people. Means they are thinking that 1 lakh people, so they are doing hard work for that to achieve that job. So according to me, government sector is best.
So I think that's it. I think that's because of much population. The more population, because of that, even there is a more competition, cutthroat competition. So we can't say that there are more people you are fighting competition, then you would be honest employee. You would improve your practical knowledge. Theory, in most of the exams there is a theory. They can clear theory or they can be employed. So you can't say by clearing theory you have been a good human being or you are a good employee. Here you see most of the state government employees, they don't have pension facility. And after 2001 or maybe 2000, some central government employees like employees in army and some other employees in central government, they are getting pension and all that. And actually we are not born for pension. Yes. Actually we are not born for pension or salary and all that. We are born to improve. We want to change. We want to face life. So actually doing a government job you can't face.
I would like to add more on self-made business. As compared to government job, a person thinks their pension, but they know I am leave next day or not. They don't know.
He speaks life is not certain. About what pension you are talking? About what security and future and all that? Life is not certain.
So in self-made business, you earn more, you grow more, your opportunity.
You also can give, chances to your relatives, friends, your upcoming generation. You can build a business, you can set up a business. So there are so many persons in your relations, so friend circle and all that, they also can get job.
I say one thing, someone say that in government job, the people are very hard worker. Who said that in government job, many agents are there, people pay their money for their jobs. Bribe. And for example, in last days, the NEET papers were leaked. Then many people were committed to suicide and many students' life were down. Then how can you say that the government job and
there is more corruption in that.
My former speaker, but what I am saying, in government job there are lots of bro agents and all. Have you seen the Dhurandhar movie? That is also a government person. He is serving his life for the nation. He is in another nation fighting for ourselves. Means he is a government employee. He is not more than government employee. He is something for our nation. So according to me, government sector.
I also would respect your point, but I would say there is a clean, neat and clean question. NEET paper was leaked.
Yes,
sir. They are also government employees.
Yes.
So why there is, I think, lesser transparency. There is lesser transparency. Things are not as they should be. Government gives them salary, PF, and apart from salary also so many facilities. Even that they are committing, corruption.
Yes,
they are taking bribes and giving bribes. So many cases we read in paper every day, Bhaskar, Patrika, Times of India. So I think there is lesser transparency. That's why that's not a good job. In private job, at least boss is there. And boss can have the transparency. There may be corruption in private job also. Yes. But there is more transparency. But in self-made business, there is nothing like that. So I think which job is better?